But the big story in Action News, of course, is Hurricane Ida making landfall in southeast Louisiana as a powerful Category 4 storm. It's now moving north, bringing potentially catastrophic winds and rainfall to New Orleans. That's where we find ABC's Elizabeth Schulze with more. Elizabeth.
Well, Walter, Ida is already one of the worst hurricanes in Louisiana's history, and it is not done quite yet. Here in New Orleans, we have been seeing the conditions get worse. Behind me, that's the Mississippi. We have been watching the water level rise. The winds have been picking up. Officials here are warning about flash flooding and catastrophic storm surge.
Hurricane Ida making landfall in Louisiana as a dangerous Category 4 storm, bringing torrential rain, storm surge, and winds of up to 150 miles an hour.
This is one of the strongest storms to make landfall here in modern times.
The powerful hurricane tearing through the Louisiana Gulf Coast, leaving debris, torn up homes, and power outages in its wake.
We are here in the heart of New Orleans just as this storm has made landfall. You can feel how strong these winds are. This is the Mississippi. This storm is testing the city's flood protection system.
The city's levees and flood protection system has been bolstered since Hurricane Katrina 16 years ago to this day. Officials here are still warning about heavy rain causing flash floods.
This is a very dangerous and a very real situation.
South of New Orleans, this home in Grand Isle, Louisiana, flooded. In Gulfport, Mississippi, floodwater rushing on shore.
Praying I can go back to a normal home.
President Biden visiting FEMA headquarters for a briefing on the storm.
We're praying for the best and planning, prepared for the worst.